My name's Michael Miller. I'm from Biloxi, Mississippi. We're here with the ASCS Rebel region for the 360 Injecti Sprint Car. And we're here at Oglethorpe Speedway, hopefully looking for a good night of racing. And we're going to, cars weigh roughly about 1,450 pounds. That's a minimum weight we have to meet every night. Track to track is always different, mud, different compounds and stuff. Looking roughly about 700 horsepower, so it should be a thrilling ride. We'll be probably averaging over 100 mile an hour pretty comfortably here. Track condition looks pretty nice. Looks like it'll be really a lot of passing, a lot of momentum racing. So it's something that's going to take a long night. We'll only get about 25 laps to do this. So you got to make it quick, and if there's a little hole, you got to take it, and that's what makes the thrilling ride of the sprint cars. We could end up in the grandstands, but we could go through the debris fence. That's what makes it so exciting with the sprint cars.